Hello, I am Timmy Top of the Scoreboard Jr. And before we get into the game, I just have a few notes. The camera quality for this game was a little bit off. We're still not sure why, but there's going to be bugs and it's a little bit blurry, so we would like to apologize for that. And now before this game gets started, it's important to note the circumstance that it's Game 6 of the Mullany Cup, which is a best of 7. The Lake Michigan Blizzards currently lead 3-2. So the Lake Michigan Blizzards win this game, they will win it all. And if the Sea Snakes win it, then we go to Game 7, all or nothing. Thank you, enjoy the game. Thank you, me from 5 seconds ago. And now the Lake Michigan's Blizzards will take the field. Luke on the pitcher's mound and Venkata Venotter in the outfield. And the lineup for the Sea Snakes, batting first, Stevie, Hackem, Swampdonkey, the 69. And batting second, Samu LeWeightloss. Now Stevie up to the plate. And he will go down looking. 1 out, no men on base. Samu will also be going down looking, maybe a little bit of swing at the end. Not sure, won't really matter. Just matters what way the K is facing. And Stevie will be walked. A little bit of dialogue, chirping between the players. Now Samu up to the plate. Will hit it deep to the left field, and that is gone over the left field wall. And the Sea Snakes will take a 2-0 lead already in the top of the first. Now we will see if they can ride that momentum, but they will not, and that will be out 3. Sea Snakes up 2 after the top of the first. Now the Blizzards line up. Luke, Gotehd with the sauce, batting first, and Venkata Venotter batting second. Ooh, look at those abs. Alright. Luke hits it to the right. And that is close. You can't really see it. It was down the foul line. That is going to be a close call. Play. They're definitely going to check the camera. Won't be called because you can't really tell. So they're just going to redo it. And Luke will hit it to the right. Get a single. Venkata Venotter up to bat. Cranks it to the left. Caught by Samu. Steps up. And Luke will just stay up first. Luke striking out. That's a bad swing. Chirps it to the left. Kind of just straight up, honestly. And that's going to be a single. Man on first and second. Luke will hit it right. And Samu comes up with the grab. Samu hits it to the right. Good hit. He'll stay at first for a single. Maybe they got that momentum again. Stevie's weird batting stance hits it to the left. Venkata grabs it. Samu's still not tagging up, and they will get the double play. Samu hoping to redeem himself here. Strikes out. And we will head to the bottom of the second. Venkata, 1 out already. Luke, also out. Jeez. Venkata hits it, and Samu grabs that. Blizzards remain with a goose egg on the board. Stevie will strike out. 1 out. Samu chops at it, but does not make the contact he wanted. That's 2 outs already. Oh, a little bit of camera glitch there, but Stevie hit it right to the pitcher, and Luke will make the play up first. Bottom of the third. Blizzards down by 2. Luke hits it to the right, gonna get a single. They will need a huge comeback here. Great rally if they need to. And he drops it, but Luke was kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place there, and they'll get the tag out. 1 out, man on second, or man on first, rather. Luke hits it to the left, Oppo Taco, and that's going to be a single. Runners on first and second. Still down by 2. Venkata hits it to the right. He's going to go to first. Luke's coming home, and he's safe. Venkata advances to second. A little glitch there, but now it's 1-2. And Luke will get walked. Bases are loaded for the Blizzards, down by 1 in the bottom of the third. Venkata hits it. Gonna pop out, and runners will stay. Do not advance. 2 outs. Down by 1. Bases loaded for Luke. Hits it to the right. 1 run will score, and Luke is safe. Bases remain loaded, and the game is tied. Oh my God, Venkata hits it to the right. He is safe at first, and Luke comes home, and that is the game! The Blizzards are Mullany Cup champions of Season 1 BWL. What a season it has been. Great sportsmanship being shown there. What an exciting game. Amazing comeback. And man, that was the closest game we've had all season. They'll shake hands, and that was quite the incredible thing. The trophy will be lifted momentarily, and the Blizzards will bask in their glory.
I'd like to present the Mullany Cup to the Michigan Blizzards. Yeah! We did it, Mom! We did it! Oh God, that's awesome. I would like to present the Mullany Cup Man of the Day award to Stevie, Hackem Swampdonkey. Thank you. I know we didn't win. This is a good season. We just couldn't pull in the win this game. But also thank you to Samu, besides that one play that gave me flashbacks from when he was squirming around. But he did good. He had a home run. He got a couple catches out. It was a good game. I'll see you guys next season.
And with that, I would like to thank you all for a wonderful season. I hope the next one's even better. And with that, from your favorite commentator, Timmy Top of the Scoreboard Jr., good night.